Welcome to our tutorial on the xmlunescape command in Splunk SPL. The xmlunescape command is a powerful utility that helps decode XML entities back into their original readable characters. This command is essential when working with XML data that contains encoded entities, making your data analysis much more effective and readable. The xmlunescape command serves a specific purpose in data processing. It converts XML entities back to their original characters for readable text output. For example, the XML entity &LT semicolon becomes a less than symbol, &GT semicolon becomes a greater than symbol, and &amp semicolon becomes an ampersand symbol. This transformation is crucial for making encoded XML data human readable and suitable for further analysis. The syntax for the xmlunescape command is straightforward and follows standard Splunk SPL patterns. The basic structure is pipe xmlunescape followed by the field name you want to decode. Here's a simple example. Search index equals web, pipe xmlunescape message. This command will take the message field and decode any XML entities it contains, making the text readable and ready for analysis. Let's explore the most common XML entities that xmlunescape handles. &LT semicolon represents the less than symbol. &GT semicolon represents the greater than symbol. &amp semicolon represents the ampersand symbol. &quote semicolon represents double quotes. And &oppose semicolon represents single quotes or apostrophes. These entities make text unreadable in their encoded form, but the xmlunescape command restores the original characters for better analysis and display. Here's a practical example showing the xmlunescape command in action. Before using xmlunescape, you might have data like search index equals web source type equals access underscore log, pipe eval error underscore message equals quote page &LT semicolon login &GT semicolon not found quote, pipe table error underscore message. After applying xmlunescape to the error underscore message field, the encoded entities are converted to readable characters, transforming the encoded text into clear, human-readable format that displays properly. Let's summarize the key points about xmlunescape. It provides simple one-step decoding for XML entities. The command works on any field containing XML entities without requiring additional parameters. It's essential for producing readable output from encoded XML data. For best practices, use xmlunescape after data extraction but before text analysis. It combines well with other text processing commands in your SPL pipeline. Always test with sample data first to ensure the command produces the expected results for your specific use case. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.